All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. I want to give you guys current update about Matthias Ezeaku Gospel of Truth. But I want people to come online. Can we go know the situation reports? Akara able to break any information, to break any news. I can do radio station or TV station. Any news over Tarani, I got what the public. It would news us where they. I'm a master Jpac go on. Oh, if I want to say, do not rejoice. Everyone na on Ihembu because a maho yoga. You know the reason why I maybe have video this why, but now I'm very, very sure. Many people not drag because no one may arrest. But let me give you the current update and the day Matthias Ezeaku there Monday. Either Monday or Tuesday. Okay, Monday will start home. Either Monday or Tuesday morning. But let me tell you the current update now. Onye mere Matthias arrest boyana bo Zion. You know all this thing I have to find out Siana Nimi Obra Zion and they go be Adro happy about the arrest. Go be Adro happy about the arrest. For those of you now, Aka Ebukobi 1 naira adrona arrest. Come on, no. Oh my God, Nde were Ebukobi as their father. And the lawyers, when the lawyers who were Ebukobi as their father, and the individuals were Ebukobi as their father. All how I take it upon themselves. And since that time, they have refused to pick call from Evangelist Ebukobi, and currently now Ebukobi and go mandate that na obro na he release him Matthias from now till Monday, then they will stop coming to church. Okay, drop your insult because after this video now I'll be in Abuja shortly to make sure that Matthias Potara. And a lot of people like somebody like Okurora Ndi Igbo all the way from abroad because na Okurora na Zion bo friend. Okurora go Zion we say na this our relationship ga continue as a brother. Release here Matthias. In as much as na Okurora na Matthias the same belief. But Okurora enyego mandatory. Yo na choka the relationship to ato si megini si release ye Matthias. Anyi donu onye chaka yogokwa on go from Frankfurt, Germany. Yo mo do we mugwa abogo ako Zion aso onye mmata burugbo si up since in chapter na oge nwa bo onye ji Matthias Ezeaku with due respect. Only have been able disrespect Evangelist Ebukobi because Ebukobi will release that guy. What Ebukobi with a 1 naira for arrest or who involved in arrest or Mako just be able to the arrest. Everything due to na program upon program upon program. Ebukobi ma hapu Lagos, Jebe Abuja hapu program. Man up phone, phone nant. Currently now what I say no release him Matthias from now till Monday. I will put a Zion. Zion. So a lot of people are go and Matthias and tell Matthias Ezeaku. How we could go that Matthias may find a press conference. Press press conference or press relief. So currently now I'll be in Abuja shortly to make sure I will go my own contact, which I will not be mentioning his name because everybody I hide is his own contact because you will give all your contacts in the man and affair. Hey, Jenny boss, try to poison the heart of your contact. So I am not here to tell you on a phone and them orgasm because I came even before now. When case will be just because now people know now if I about involved. How much if I about a phone, try to get if I am a number, try to get capital or a number. Casidazo where poison you be Jpac Jpac. So ever since that and I'm on Tago Mife, all your branch of help. Into the Isiagu can help or when got any contact now, but I won't disclose it again on social media because minds of people are evil continuously. I may got my own contact, which from here now, shortly I'll be in Abuja. Shortly. To make sure that Matthias, because many people will feel that Jpac and one, but I didn't move from Urangoli because Oboro na mmadụ kwuru okwu ọnụ ka a ga-eji wee tụọ nga. Matthias kwuru okwu ọnụ etu anyị nchasị ekwu okwu ọnụ esokwa m ekwu. Onye ọbụla na-ekwukwa. So, but I believe na onwe onye okwu jọrọ nyanwazi na ayọkwu biko. Matthias ayọkwu biko. You guys will see the video shortly. Video of Matthias Ezeaku. Ebe a na preach for love and peace and unity. The video will be spread any moment from Monday. I'm not coming to meet you at motor. Any moment starting from Monday. Matthias I post a video. Here they could have let peace take place. What if AG or Gonambeje? I got a kuna 19 okay. Mazen and the Kano. No nime. I don't ever. And I talk about one I don't take no here the wise. So Zion get release Matthias any moment from now. Highest Monday. I'm never okay. Who's on Lagos? See what I'm at the bottom plate. Any moment from now, Monday. Unless because Zion actually say Igbo is Zionist. But as long as Zion kaya abukwa is Zionist, all that from Evangelist Ebuka Obi, ya release here Matthias. Ebuka Obi na-ekwu na no one else also okwu ọnụ say happen Matthias na let nobody fight for him. Na ọ bụgo na Chineke chọrọ fight for him, no Chineke ya fight dey. So I want to let you guys know that even Mbana made statement AIG na Ajuka ka Evangelist Ebuka made statement and I'm going to book Ebuka Obi the first day Evangelist Ebuka Obi goes na Facebook na Ndi police be arrest that day Kobe drop over the phone to do only the Nefa. But before, on I got to the Nefa, Matthias Abaguru and Abuja. So if you go be your because say how for Eogo, Sianos there in Eogo. Currently, Nebugo see do Sianos there in Eogo. No one way by Eogo, but Jehovah. Or if I second Guno. Or you got a Zion, say I because Yanos there in Eogo. Only actually against him, Yakube. No, na bale ogu Jehovah. Also, Chineke God there, Emana, Nayanwa abu fake or about fake. All Chineke God there, Georgia. All Chineke God there, punish. Only Omenala Igbo against him. So if we go be a Katogo, we will see us there no go Obana. Only go to every allegation, see us there no go. Let God fight for him. So unless na Zion, I'm able to say Zionist. Unless na Zion, I'm able to say onye Zion. Now, because that is order from Ebuka Obi. Ever since no notice no Zion be arrest. No one Zion they release Matthias that he should cease from becoming a member of Zion from now till Monday. So I'll be in Abuja shortly to make sure Matthias are there, because we are all one. I am Ndi Igbo. Anybody yourself, the investment and the development are achieved the southeast. Kekwandi ya no kwa na de hena. All Ndi Igbo kwa. All for them mando mena na mandoka. But if you want to hear about for Zobu, Hebrew Yoka, Pare Wabu, Hebrew Omenala, Pare Wabu. Hebrew Yoka, preach your love, peace, and unity. Preach your undiluted word of God. Preach your Christ. And I want to pass this information to you people. But there is a go be but I matter that's na problem okay very soon. Days now. Now problem okay very soon go members of the church. Yes. Members of the church. Unu go say about the ekuru maka Zion. Unu na agbara Ebuka Obi ogu. Happen unu agbaze ne ogu. Let God fight for Ebuka Obi. About the ekuru maka Zion, mother na boy Attire se mbia na just say either boy ya you're not preaching Christ. You are making people in Israel I believe on your own. To believe that na okay man will be a boy that na is like whatever anybody speak against man of God, halfway where somebody put against Elijah in the Bible. Elijah did not fight. Elijah bere agusuni mo ya mabata megene biari onya hanaya ekutoeni. Or what them be nde na-eso ụzọ ma ọ bụ ndị church here bịara bịa no serve the person of. All the person na aha bụ a prophet ka ọ dịrị ikpe ekpere si Chineke gbara m ọgụ. So the thing they way because na that one day anya m fure ka njima na Ebuka Obi enwe ihe o ji phone eme. Ọ makwughị ebe phone na na-ewetere phone ewetere. So the news na-ewe iwe also na etu ndị members si agbara ya ọgụ na-ewe iwe. And ọgụ ha na-agba na anụ ọgụ everywhere na social media. No na-eme afọ anyanwa. Na onye gara akpọ bụ Ebuka Obi Zion. I know some people might not like this my message, but here I get an update as I can drop all. So very soon, shortly, I'll be with Zion to make sure na Matthias are there. In no reason or no account, according to evangelists, that Matthias will be released immediately, unless now na Matthias say they release it, right? They only have G Matthias that he will face that person. So because all you have na kutoka made here Christmas. Another lesson on this thing here December. Ile kutoka made. Unless nature na sell whereby Christmas. There are many contents and there are many things and there are everybody to all no our leader, our supreme leader Mazana de Kano this is the best time for every blogger. All those people bundo can listen to the Dibia. Who was here? I don't talk about native doctor again. Because about my problem. Mobile government. You got that. Ndo ka abro my problem. Native doctors are not my problem. Onye me for job personally. Onye community evil personally, individually. You treat here for up onya accordingly. Hello? Mba me too or back on the traffic. By 7 o'clock, okay. Okay. Myself. So if they go, all these people are not our problem. Oga bu here and bring fit obi mbawa na iti aka na obi that na mazen na ndeka no kwa n'ime detention we gba Christmas. Hey Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Oga bu ife nwute and if you take an obi that Namazi Nani Kano no Panime detention by Christmas. So this energy na shower, a shower na hondoka, shower na hondomenana, shower everywhere. They do so the energy, whatever the energy. Kuwezi who Kamana Maza Yapota because if you get an Igbo, they get a town Igbo because it's ready. Somebody like me, boy, I'm like on a Christmas. But those who have what I was in actually on a Christmas because security had the rock and didn't put the security had the rock because of legend and the cano. I believe that this is at least I'm going to number the cano release 4 times in a month before this year. Let everybody do so. Churches are not our problem, and they can never be our problem. Problem. The people hold the Naka to develop Obodo, government. Come to Lagos now, you see how Lagos is fast developing. About the whole Nigeria, onwere churches carry Lagos. All Lagos people headquarters. Man, today, one day I will go to the rail station and snap video. Careful. Now, if metro station Lagos gets roche from my 2 to Lagos Island, there's that in now that Dubai, or to go to Lagos now. Yoruba people, they catch their country, they catch Obodo. Go to Oshodi, you see how Oshodi is very beautiful. Come to Oshodi in the night. If former governor of Lagos State, if you're road there, Abraham no government ne does Obodo. Go to Abulegba Nabane. Just go to Abulegba Nabane and see how beautiful Abulegba is. Come to Lagos Island. Lagos they develop their place. Where they go allocation, they develop their land. Churches and the Omenala are not the problem of Obodo. Go to Abia State now. If we hear less voting around Abia State, these are the governor Obodo. What that location there? And where landmark about a landmark, baby, Yaga Raru. Obudo no kata oye bawara dore. Ebe everything are under government. Government without nobody azura nobody ni nya compensation. When I come up work to buy is ready. People that want to build skyscraper will come and build skyscraper. People want to build a housing estate. And where pattern. Everybody have right to worship their own God. If you want to worship stone, worship stone. You don't tell anybody that is worshiping stone that the stone on their worship. I don't know. A man or stone na anyere go nearly. If I hide against Ndi Igbo evil. Evil be hide against. But all you men and your war. No Omenala yard, no Omenala yard number 1. All your cast number, no Kayade, no Kayabo number 1. Before I might hear them in 5 years' time, they went for about religious crisis within ourselves. I never fight to go Boko Haram. Today, Boko Haram is not in our town. I never fight to go against terrorists and herdsmen in our land. They are no more in our land. But people that dwell in our land today are Igbo people. All one Igbo they kidnap only Igbo. Only Igbo they go only Igbo. Only Igbo na demand ransom to only Igbo. All these things are Omenala. All these things are Oka. It is the duty of government to regulate everything movement. There is security, where CCTV. If Madam Nadi can be released, all these things are gonna be because believe. Here Nadi can believe brick and believe. Don't use your religion to dupe people or to scam people. If you be pastor, pastor well. If you be bishop, bishop well. If you be reverend, reverend well. If you be archbishop, archbishop well. If you be prophet, prophet well. If you be dibia, dibia well. So many people they put out dibia because now the name called dibia. That dibia, otherwise known as doctor. It is when such a doctor. Doctor for eye, oculist, and dentist. Veterinary doctor. All guys we were dibia in different angle. It was dibia that way new. We give dibia na agwara. Like man pass man or leave it. Na agwandara. Oh, you specialize na agwandara. Ya ni ma se na ara ho na agwo. Na mba agwa na moro na mba agwa ho na wete ni mo ya agwandara. That's no man ihe o na eme. Because I have brother ara ya ha agwo ukwe. enwere dibịa na-agwọ ọma afọ, nwere dibịa na-enye mkpụrụ ọgwụ ka nwaanyị tụrụ ime. You know, enwere many branches of dibịa. Because their name is dibịa, people might be seeing them as evil. Unless God of ndị na-egosi ọgwụ ego ma ọ bụ ndị na-eme introduce ritual. Then you speak against that one, particularly, individually, not generalizing everybody. I am not particularly happy about the arrest, but on my own capacity and my own effort, and also make sure, even Abu Kotiwaraki, Matthias mere arrest, mere Mwabe arrest. The same Aqua contribute immensely for the release of Matthias. But also say Kuna. Say hi, the area update. See Kuna. Hey, everywhere locked up. Matthias, nothing. Aqua Kotiwaraki. Matthias made arrest. Made Mwabe arrest. I want to have 2.something million to release the area Mwabe Isiagu. The same Aqua with the Parego. With the way go now, you biko. That's no never Matthias mere before, mere Mwabe before. No matter you 1 naira. Call Matthias on phone and confirm. What about the Kerezo? Effort I call Kotil name. Somebody the baggage. One of your best Isiagu. Say happen Matthias. Na happen no believe na no you learn a lesson there. Alpha. Walai ba ku dina ka Allah. To zan ba ku. So that is the update now. So we wait for press release, and their lawyer will come tomorrow by 1 o'clock afternoon, and one day Ndi Igbo, Dons, all of them, they tried so much. Everybody but the contact now, and the Jamuama de Bugana Matthias, Anguoni, that no never, but I mind the business here. That is what he said, and the agreement, and the Isiagu Matthias, they put the good no, but I don't mind the business here. I'm gonna say, go ahead and preach your Omenala to people, but don't insult anybody again. And he agreed. So I'll go tomorrow. Either tomorrow I'm up there. He might come out on Monday or Tuesday. So that is it. That is all I want to say. So keep your insult. If I Christmas can, but don't go and use your hand to your work na December. 25 December. If I don't get a bunch of for operation, then check now. Everybody na chiko. I didn't bossa. Whatever you are not doing before, you amend yourself. You cannot be evil from January to December. Pick up a date and time. You know, amend there yourself. Everyone amend do amend. Every time I'm on war. It was all this way and never advert. When I was someone they call, I want anybody out because I know how much I'm making in advert. For somebody to come in advert today, you keep 500,000, 400,000 as the case may be. So will I be seeing that kind of money? Then I call nobody out. I don't have that kind of time. I don't go my way obiam call my way obiam. They remember if they call about money when I call okay. Come my way I knew come my way. I don't know. I moved to the gallon. Well, 10,000 a gallon. So, how do I find the star? Stop one ATM. 10,000. Yes. She never Nigeria. Yeah. Hey, Jesus Christ! Every day, for 10,000 na jail. Just go where more. Never joke on the army with talk. So Ndeni even the Ogasimio Mbanna boy machina. I remember in my code. I don't know any card now. Even the lawyer yada tomorrow confirm that na first lawyer but na fork up because na the agreement they have an agreement that na he should maintain and stick on his own religion.
How much?
10,000. Put press 20,000. Put 10 for gallon. Put 10 for both.
Current or savings?
Savings. So now all you gonna maintain our own way business here. If I Christmas, you can have a mother on when time. Maybe I could 500,000. Promote your business and money. When I get them, they want to run that on. So currently now, Matthias made a video. Oh, good. Matthias made a video. Yeah, the documentary. Yeah, documentary or documented. I don't know. For now, documentary kind of way. Okay, my video. That's now. The video will the title of the video gabu Birika Mbiri.
I go wait.
But you don't the book.
I go wait. I don't post them at
thank you. They will be put for them.
Okay, that's
Yes. So Birika Mbiri, if I name is now. Okay, my video. And currently now, one of my Matthias self. Condition yourself na ewokumi iwe because all you na so much. All you go na oma akpokwa mmadụ afọ again. Na ọchọ imere onwe video, o emere onwe video. But whatever they go say, go out and preach love. Omenala bụ love. Bịa ikiri. Ọ dị ka na apụ ara. Mgbe ọ bụla na-achọ okwu na ụka. But some mama here is very stupid. Come and make sure that come in like then it's the one that more than go one them happen to I always be here. Hit him. Or talking about getting more than go. Might happen one day, you know, the rock was so on Lagos. Bob and I told you, Kumara, who made a nobody want to get up good memos. Muzzle test. Obera went out on Yagaka. My reputable relay kike. Nonsense. So, so because all of them even we was in there. Matthias Yabata Sunday, Monday or Tuesday, fairly. Obviously, one fail or then Accusation will have to contend with Ebugobi. Yes. Ebugobi H1 no but Matthias Napta for not a Sunday, Monday. Then Yamabuzi Ebugobi the okay face is the accusation squarely because Ebugobi went watch their way. Also here we and they couldn't internet abona. No when him watch their way. When him watch sign no. See me the arrest. Omakudi na name arrest. That very Sunday, Eburu Matthias. That very Sunday, Eburu Matthias. Kanya wana kuweku na wana phone they pick he call we. Imono. O wele ndede ka. For example, etu ekuto obi kubana na kata. O wele yesi pari obi kubana. O wende boys here. Yes, boys here. Africa na pari kubana. Ha wele keje goro the case. Sina azumegi ihe ọjọọ asuna okubana mere ihe ọjọọ but we just buy money somebody sina azumegi arrest because they na akpari oge so it took a case as we had now so but na onye akpari say happen na Chineke we ibe na Chineke begede na Chineke we ụgwọ So bikono for reason why you ever able to people topic at this end of the year. Our topic should be releasing Nnamdi Kanu for us. That young man and go overdue. That young man and go overdue. See releases here I am as Nnamdi Kanu. Period. Don't ever rejoice for somebody's current predicament. Because I'm going to give you what the room bar. What do I get to the man call himself? Which was here, you know. So that is it. Look at him, the man. Matthias Ezeaku Ejiofor don't hear my video. Okay, my video of apology and the video because he had a good the evening. If you may arrest Bona, now what I Matthias I would take phone way. No way phone I'm my name of ya. Yan Naja would take phone of Bia. Matthias now maybe celebration. Or better that was here with the phone. According to the police officer and the CCTV camera, now Matthias J with the phone zone of motor without knowing that now camera for her and the police for her. I just hear, why are you hiding that phone? Why the Ogabata say he will take the phone? He just not hiding the motor. Why are you hiding the phone? How can you have Matthias a problem? If not, he wouldn't have been rearrested. No, come back, Isiagu. Isiagu. Because the Jpac not to wing or that him implicate by he with a phone, phone. So police not suspect not to go when he or job, then a phone so. How we have a problem Matthias not the message. But thank God for concerned people of Ndi Igbo. Okura and Ndi Igbo, Ogo Bogariba, and you don't Bogariba, a poor Konabo. You got a teacher me ego. A lot of people. I want to book my own contacts. So, believe it or not, after social media, now they boy, no. Because now updates get us and I hide is update I hide. Even to update now, people Mara Ifija Bamba. He said I was just spoil where he baraka go on. So, contact of Ranji get the ones who now was here again. And I may post on Facebook. More young when I didn't see because everything happens on Facebook. He only posts on that. Hey, this is my boss. AIG before your money name and the phone your money, just wear a phone. Spoil all your name, buy money. So everybody is putting effort to make sure that the Matthias is out and social media. Because you're going to account on Facebook should pedal low. Kai focus I want here about distraction, all the same with distraction. Kai will jail our ball. I want our goal to release him Nnamdi Kanu, or if I need and nothing more. Thank you very much. God bless you all.